Hi, I'm Susan, and today is the last day of Junk Journal January, which is hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And our prompt for today is Reflect. It is day 31, and it's been a fun month. I've enjoyed doing this, and I've kind of kept up with it, so I'm happy. And I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to do a flip through of my journal. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, here we are, day 31 done, and it is Reflect. And I just love that kitty cat, and to me, Reflect is hope. That it brings hope, you have hope, so my reflection is hope. So now I'm just going to do a quick flip through. We've got number 1, which was resolutions. We've got number 2, which was a quote, and the most wasted of all days is one without laughter. We've got number 3, which was throwback in those fashions of the old days. We've got number 4, which was tuck spot, and I made this little flip out. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Tuck that up under that flower. Tuck that right there. And we've got 5, which was a daily log. 6, which was a memory. That was my husband and me before we got married. Number 7 was stitched. And I used gold thread and stitched in my butterflies and flowers. Neutral, I use all neutral colors there. We've got, I didn't write it down, did I? This one was foliage. I could have swore I wrote it down. So number 9 Okay, and 10 was layered. We've got eclectic. I love that little Dotson. We have got torn edges. I've got torn edges. We have got garden. I thought that was part of it, but it wasn't. Got garden for number 13. 14 was pattern. 15 was opposites, and I had the black and white photo with all the color around it. Flow was number 16. Number 17 was whimsical, and I thought she was very whimsical. Number 18 was borders. Number 19 was interactive, and I made this belly band that opens up where you can journal. It has a magnet. Should have made something to go in the belly band. We have got day 20, which was nature. We have got 21, which was peeking out. See if you can make sure you can see it all. And we have got 22, which was a bookshelf. We've got 23, which was texture. I'd used embossing folders and die cuts in the background, plus the lace. Number 24 was fabric, and I had this fabric ribbon and lace. And we've got 25 was ombre. Number 26 was translucent, and I stamped on this vellum. Number 27 was lyrics. 28 was grungy. 29 was geometric. 30 was travel, and then today was reflect. And my last page, I just did a tuck to hold my prompts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this month. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. This is Kit. He wants to be a part. But I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure and check out the hashtags Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024, and check out Meg and Get Messy Arts channels. Y'all, this has been a fun month, and I have enjoyed doing this, and hopefully I'll be back in July if she has Junk Journal July. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.